In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of how your tiny home is shipped and delivered to you and what to expect throughout this process. Fortunately, I had the privilege of tagging along with one of our recent tiny home deliveries to Vancouver Island. So today I'll be sharing the specifics of that experience with you. The first step in the delivery process is determining the shipping route. Since this home was being delivered to Vancouver Island, it was necessary for the home to travel by ferry in order to reach its destination. So understanding the route you'll have to take, whether it's by road, ferry, or barge, is the first step in the process. An important thing to note is that not all of our homes can be shipped the same way. Our smaller homes are easier to maneuver and don't have many restrictions when it comes to transporting on public roadways. However, some of our larger homes require permits and special transport routes due to their size. This can affect how and when they can be delivered. But of course, we will be there to help you navigate this process. Once we've confirmed the route we're taking, we like to get an idea of the entrance and access we have to the property where the tiny home will be parked. Things to keep in mind are the entrance to the property. Is it wide enough? Does the home need to be backed in or can it be pulled in? Are there low-hanging power lines or tree branches? These are just a handful of things to be aware of when considering where your tiny home will be parked. In this case, the home was being backed into the property. There was plenty of room for the truck and tiny home to get into position, and the ground is firm and compact, making it easy and safe for our delivery driver to maneuver the home. If your property has loose gravel, soft soil, sharp turns, or a steep grade, you may be required to make some adjustments to your property in order for the home to be delivered safely. You'll notice this property has a level concrete pad for the home to be parked on. This is something we highly recommend doing and makes leveling the home quick and easy. Once the home is parked in place, our delivery team will walk you through the process of leveling your home. Now that the home is leveled, we begin hooking it up to your site services. The site services will vary depending on what your specific needs are and the location of where your home is parked. In most cases, you will need fresh water, electricity, and a sewer outlet connection supplied to your home. Once again, our team will help you identify exactly what you need for your situation. That way, when we arrive with your home, getting it up and running is a straightforward process. Now that the home is in place and the necessary water, power, and sewer connections have been completed, our delivery team will give you a full orientation of your home, explaining where things are located, how they work, and answer any additional questions you might have about your new Mint Tiny House.
Hi, I am Natisha. I have recently purchased a tiny home with Mint Tiny Homes. I went with them for the quality. The people made it really easy to go with them. We've done a tour. Was very pleased with how they were built. So the home that I chose was the gooseneck, and it was the Arctic model, and it just came with lots of storage, which is good because I like to, have things, and it also felt like home the moment that I stepped into it, which I wanted out of everything. I wanted something that was going to feel like home. The delivery experience has been great. We were able to walk down the road and see the tiny home coming up the road as we met partway, and that just made the experience even better. And I even had happy tears because it's been such a great day. So thank you very much.
We hope this video gives you a better idea of what to expect when taking delivery of your home and portrays how seamless this process can be. If you have any questions about how we can deliver a Mint Tiny House to your property, let us know in the comments or fill out our discovery form, which can be found in the description of this video. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.